Hello students, we'll move on to the fifth experiment, that is also screw gauge. So in this experiment, we are going to measure the thickness of a given sheet using screw gauge. So apparatus required to perform this experiment are screw gauge and sheet. And here is the diagram I have already explained in the previous experiment. And its observation consists of pitch value, zero error value and least count value. Here is the tabular column. It consists of pitch scale reading in terms of millimeter and head scale. HSR means head scale reading, and then total reading, that is in terms of millimeter. So in this experiment, we are going to find out the thickness of this given sheet. So let us perform the experiment. Before going to start this experiment, we should know pitch and least count value of this instrument. So that is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Then zero error of this instrument is equal to -4. I am going to fix this sheet firmly in between these two studs. So once we get this click sound, then we need to stop at that particular moment. So if you observe the pitch scale, here one division is uncovered. So that value is the pitch scale reading. Pitch scale reading PSR is equal to 1 millimeter. Then if you observe the head scale, 65th line on the head scale is exactly coinciding with the reference line on the pitch scale. That means 65 is the head scale reading. Then we need to take two more trials for the same sheet by changing the positions. Here I am going to fix the sheet. Then again we need to find the pitch scale reading as well as head scale reading. For any trial, pitch scale reading should be same. Let us tabulate the values. So for the first trial, PSR value is equal to 1 millimeter. Then HSR value is equal to 65. And in the second trial, PSR value is equal to 1 millimeter. Then HSR value is equals to 66. In the third trial, PSR value is equal to 1 millimeter. Then HSR is equal to 64. Let us find the total reading value. TR is equal to PSR plus HSR minus ZE into LC. Now write the values. PSR 1 plus HSR 65 minus of -4 into 0.01. It is equal to 1.69 millimeter. Let us write the value in the tabular column. For the first trial, 1.69 millimeter, and for the second trial, 1.70. For the third trial, 1.68. Then mean value is equal to 1.69 millimeter. Let us write this value in the result section. The thickness of the given sheet is equal to 1.69 into 10 power minus 3 meter.